hello children. Today we are going to start with chapter first, India. So in this chapter, I will tell you about the location of India, where it is located. Right next, India's neighboring countries, our political division and physical division. If we talk about political division, our country divided into different states and its capital. Physical division की अगर हम बात करें तो different mountain ranges, plateau, plains, rivers, and your deserts all lie over here. So India is one of the most major country of the world, just like you have your neighbor living beside your house, and also neighboring countries around it. Do you know the name of any of the neighboring country? It like we have Pakistan, Afghanistan, right? Bhutan. What are these? These are the neighboring countries. So as you know that India, what it is a motherland, seventh largest country in the world. Its area is 3.8287 million square kilometer. And the six countries bigger than India are Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil, and Australia. If we talk about population, India ranks second. अगर हम population की बात करते हैं, इंडिया second है, and वैसे कितनी है? Seventh largest है. Right, so let's study about this location. And its extent. So if we talk about in the world map, where does it lies? It lies in the Asia, right over here. Right, it is an Asian country. Right, so और एशिया के भी southern part में lie करती है. ऊपर क्या होता है north, नीचे क्या होता है south, तो southern Asia में lie. India is located in the southern part of Asia, largest continent in the world. And you can locate Indian colony map of the world. The dark green area shows location and extent of. So let's study about that. India contains a mainland of and two group of islands. That's name is Lakshadweep Island and the Arabian Sea, and Andaman and Nicobar Island in the Bay of Bengal. So it stretches about 3 to 1 kilometer from north. If we talk about north to south extent, वो कितना किलोमीटर है? 3 to 14 kilometer. From where? Kashmir to Kanyakumari. And if we talk about east-west, 2933 kilometer, Arunachal Pradesh to Gujarat. And land entire of India is about 15,200 kilometer. और अगर हम कोस्ट लाइन की बात करें मेन लाइन की, वो कितनी है? 6,100 किलोमीटर लॉन्ग. और टोटल लेंथ जो है कोस्ट लाइन की, जो आपकी स्कैटर्ड आइलैंड है, वो कितना है? 7516.6 kilometer. So if we talk about Indian neighbor, let's study about the neighboring country. As you know that Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, and Bangladesh. What are these? These all are the neighboring countries of India, right? So they share the street boundary with India, and these countries are called neighbors or neighboring countries. If we talk about Pakistan, Afghanistan, ये इसका northwest है, right? Let me tell you over here. ऐसे हमारा north, अगर हम इस extent की बात करें, this is north, this is south, this is west, and this is east. And if we talk about in the middle like this, तो like this, यहाँ पे क्या लाई करेगा? नॉर्थ वेस्ट. तो आपका अफगानिस्तान और पाकिस्तान कहाँ लाई करता है? नॉर्थ वेस्ट. वहीं हम बात करें नेपाल, भूटान एंड चाइना की, वेयर दे लाई इन द नॉर्थ. Right, Bangladesh and Myanmar in the east, and Sri Lanka and Maldives to the south. Sri Lanka and Maldives do not share land border with India. ये land border share नहीं करते, right? वैसे neighboring countries है, but they do not share the land border. Right, here some question has been given. You have to answer these question yourself. Right, you can answer them in true and false. You should also know that there are the neighboring countries like Nepal and Bhutan. You do not need any visa. So let's study about the political division now. As you know that India is a very big country and huge country with population more than 125 crore. In order to run the country smoothly and take better care of the people, what you have to do? We have divided our country, our state into 28 states and union territory, in which we have a national capital territory, that is yours. So as you know that Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and Uttarakhand, they were formed in 2000 and Telangana was formed in 2040. So here you can see this is a political map of India. Here different state has been shown. This is Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, right, Jharkhand, Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan, Gujarat, MP, and this is Maharashtra, Hyderabad, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. These are the different states that I have shown you in the map over here. So let's see their capital, states with their capital. First is Andhra Pradesh, that is your what? Amravati. Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. Assam, Dispur, Bihar, Patna. Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji. Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Haryana, that is Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh, Shimla. Jharkhand, Ranchi. Karnataka, Bangalore. Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Maharashtra, Mumbai. Manipur, Imphal. Meghalaya, Shillong. Mizoram as well, and then we have Nagaland, that is Kohima, right? Odisha, Bhubaneswar, your Punjab, Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Gangtok, Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Tripura, Agartala, Telangana, that is Hyderabad, Uttar Pradesh, New Lucknow, Uttarakhand, Dehradun, and your West Bengal, that is Kolkata. So here are some UT given, like you can see Andaman and Nicobar, Port Blair, Chandigarh, Dadar and Nagar Haveli, Daman, Lakshadweep, Kavarati, Punducherry, that is Pondicherry, right? National capital Delhi, New Delhi. We have Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar, and Jammu or Ladakh ki kya hai Leh. If we talk about the Indira Point, which is in Andaman and Nicobar, what we call it? It is the southern tip of our country, India. Let's see the physical map over here. I will tell you in the physical division. This is your northern mountain. What we call them? Northern mountains, right? Which is known as Great Himalayas. And this is your northern plain. What we call it? Thar Desert, right? These are the coastal plain, western coastal plain and eastern coastal plain. What we call it? This is your Deccan Plateau, which is also known as Southern Plateau, and it is triangular in shape, right? So India has varied landform like high mountains, plains, desert, plateau. Many rivers originate from the mountains and plateaus and flow through the place. India can broadly be divided into following physical dip. We have northern mountains, northern plains, Great Indian Desert, peninsular plateau, coastal plain, and island. We have two types of island, Andaman and Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep Island. Right? We will study about this physical division and the life of the people in these places in the coming lessons. Here some question has been given to you. You have to answer these questions and let you know something more like K2, that is Mount Godwin Austen, which is located in India. It is the second highest peak of the world, right? That's all for today. I have completed this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything about the political division and physical division. Now we will meet in the next class. Till then, keep enjoying, keep learning with me. Thank you.